Madam, I am extremely grateful to my honorable colleague Shri Venugopal that on basis of whatever limited information that he had, he's raised this issue. Since this whole issue in the last few days has acquired some overtones outside the House, also by persons who are not members of the House, whatever remedies are available to me, I have taken. But since the member has raised it in the House, I think I owe it a duty to correctly inform him. Delhi did not have a cricket stadium. It had a Maidan. And therefore, during my tenure when I was associated there, we considered it necessary that Delhi should get a proper stadium. At that time, the BCCI used to give only rupees 4 crores as infrastructure subsidy. So we had to raise money. In order to raise that money, we used two initial resources. One created 43 corporate boxes, advanced sold the tickets of those boxes for 10 years so that we could get some money, and each seat was sold for 1 lakh rupees. Each box had approximately 30 seats. And then signage in the stadium was sold. A Tata end, an ITC end, and by different corporates. We managed to raise about 35 crores. So we intended to create two small blocks of ground floor and first floor. But by that time, BCCI started earning more money and they said we can give infrastructure subsidy up to 50 crores. So we decided to rebuild the whole stadium. By a tender process, the contract... Please now, sit down.
Please, this is not proper. You have to sit down now.
Please sit down.
Yes.
You must have the courage to hear.
Nothing will go on record, only Arun Jaitley's statement.
Madam,
only minister's statement will go on record. This is not, they have to listen also.
Please sit down. The facts will be extremely inconvenient.
Yes.
Madam, they've had their say, but now let me...
Now please listen. I have allowed you your full statement.
Madam, if this is the method,
always you do like
why are you finding my reply so inconvenient? Why are you finding my reply so inconvenient? It's not a charge against you. Madam,
this is not
by a tendering process,
your thing and go away, or
by a tendering process, the contract for building the stadium was given to Messrs. Engineering Project India Limited, a public sector company. They did the civil works for an amount of about 57-58 crores. After civil works, there are 43 other works to be done, which were done predominantly through their subcontractor because the PSU did the civil works. So whoever was the please sit down.
Please,
all
this is not proper. Venugopal is not proper. Venugopal ji, this is not proper.
Please, you have said something.
Yes, please. You take your...
Let me answer you. Let me answer you.
Yes. Maybe. आप उनकी तरफ से क्यों लड़ रहे? Please take your seat. Please take it.
Madam,
Gaurav ji.
For a total sum, 114 करोड़ रुपए में 114 करोड़ रुपए में 42,000 की क्षमता का एक स्टेडियम बना। जब ये पार्टी पावर में थी तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम का रेनोवेशन 900 करोड़ रुपए में किया। जब कांग्रेस पार्टी पावर में थी
पूरा सुनिए तो सही।
14,000 की कैपेसिटी के नेशनल स्टेडियम, ध्यानचंद स्टेडियम का रेनोवेशन 600 करोड़ रुपए में किया। यहाँ ब्रांड न्यू स्टेडियम 114 करोड़ रुपए में बच गया और उसको ये अपने आप में गलत मानते हैं। किसी एसएफआईओ ने ये रिपोर्ट नहीं दी कि ये खर्चा गलत हुआ। एसएफआईओ ने इस पूरे खर्चे को स्वीकार किया और इस विषय पर कोई फाइटिंग नहीं दी। ये सारा आरोप बेबुनियाद है, एकदम अपने आप में गलत है। मुझे केवल इतना ही कहना है।